Hello everyone and welcome to the clay modeling session. My name is Mamta Negi. Today I will talk about clay modeling. Clay modeling is one of the basic medium of making a sculpture. Let's begin with some basic information about clay. In a clay modeling, we use natural clay which is found from nearby river, pond and lake. It has the quality of plasticity that makes modeling very easy to handle as compared to other normal clay. You can also make it at home, but it is a very long process. After soaking, sieving and drying off, you receive fine clay to make a sculpture or pot. After baking a pot, vessel or sculpture, it is in red or dusty orange color, which known as terracotta. There are multiple types of clay modeling techniques. Today we'll use coil method for pottery. Okay, let's start how to make a simple pot with coil techniques.
Material required for clay modeling. First we need clay, tools, water and brush, wet cloth to moist the clay. These are some wooden tools. We use them to shape and cut the clay. Also could use them to apply different texture. First, prepare clay by kneading and remove air bubbles. This process of kneading and preparing clay is known as wedging. Wedge your clay like this. Separate the clay into several smaller lumps of same size. Take each lump, roll it back and forth. This process will start to form a long thin coil. Do not make very thin coil. It is difficult to handling for beginners. At least half inch thickness of coil is best. Now I have 10 to 12 coils to start making a pot. You can start from making the bottom of an object. We will use round base. Moist the clay with water. Take coil into the base and gently press on the coils to join them together. In inner side, you merge the clay with your fingers. One by one, you take coil into the base and to smooth the sides of your object. Shape a coil into a desired shape. Moist the clay with water and brush time to time, otherwise it will dry or cracks will occur.
Now it's time to either make pot broad or thin. Accordingly, add coil either in outer half or inner half. So we'll now add coil in outer half. Beat the pot with help of wooden tool or flat stick to remove air and set clay in a shape.
Merge the coil with your fingers from outer side. Now I am making it narrow, hence will now add coil in inner half. Merge the clay and smooth the outer surface with tools. Join one more coil.
Maintain the surface with your fingers.
Add some clay in outer surface to even the form. Maintain and smooth the outer surface with wooden tool. To make it a little more narrow, we will add more coil inwards.
Merge the coil with fingers. Now we reached in desired shape. We can give some finishing with wooden tool and also maintain the shape.
Moist the clay. After finishing, you can also give some texture. Some important notes. When you make a pot, you moist the clay with sprinkle the water on it time to time, otherwise it will dry or cracks will occur. If your work is not complete and want to complete on next day, you wrap a wet cloth into a pot and covered with polythene and tied up. This is needed because air should not cross to direct clay. If you leave a pot in direct air, it will dry and you face difficulty to complete it. After it dry, you can color it as per your liking. These days antiques are in trend, so you can keep it as is, either red or dusty orange color like terracotta. In next video we will learn and do some more experiment with coil technique. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.